How to fix social security portal login error. So in here, the very first thing that you want to do is verify whether you are logging in via your login.gov or via your id.me, as older direct ssa.gov login credentials are migrated, right? So just like this, you can now also try to double check that your social security number, SSN, your legal name and the date of birth match the official records exactly. So after doing all of that, lastly, try to disable any VPN if you are using, or any ad blockers, which often triggers this social security blocks on governmental portals. So make sure you're not using any of them. And if that still did not work out, and if you're still like locked out, you can try to call the SSA help desk at their number, or you can visit a local social security office to reset your access, and then from there I'm pretty sure you'll be able to fix that social security portal login error.